Journey into the ancient secret and spiritual transformation. The depths of ancient wisdom hold a remarkable allure. Yet, often the subtle strands of understanding are lost or distorted over time. The ceaseless current of human history and the relentless pursuit of progress have eroded the foundation of our knowledge. Moreover, the dominion of language has long played a pivotal role in shaping reality, concealing truth under a veil of linguistic manipulation. Yet, through discernment and relentless curiosity, we seek to uncover the obscured truths and reclaim the wisdom of our ancestors. Certainly, let's explore a few more parallels between ancient wisdom and modern science. The ancient concept of chakras, which finds its root in Indian spiritual traditions, is another remarkable example. The 7 chakras are said to be energy centers in the body, each associated with specific physical, emotional, and spiritual characteristics. The Sushumna, or central energy channel running along the spine, is strikingly reminiscent of the central nervous system in modern anatomy. Today, science recognizes the autonomic nervous system's role in managing stress, emotion, and energy levels in the body, aligning with the ancient chakra philosophy. In another instance, the Taoist concept of qi, also known as ki in Japan or prana in India, refers to the vital energy that flows through all things. Modern science can relate this concept to bioelectromagnetism, which is the electric, magnetic, or electromagnetic fields produced by living cells, tissues, and organisms. Examples include the heart and brain's electromagnetic fields, which can be measured by instruments like the EKG and EEG. The concept of as above, so below, found in Hermetic philosophy, presents a worldview that the microcosm and macrocosm reflect each other. This wisdom suggests that patterns repeat across different levels of reality, from the smallest to the largest scales. Modern theories such as fractals in mathematics and the holographic principle in quantum physics mirror this ancient belief. Fractals demonstrate how patterns can repeat themselves infinitely at different scales, while the holographic principle suggests that the entire universe can be seen as a two-dimensional information structure. The ancient Egyptians' belief system also bears mention. They held the brain in high esteem and understood it to be integral to a person's being, a belief well ahead of its time, even though they didn't have a comprehensive understanding of its function as we do today. They intuitively recognized its importance. The Chinese traditional practice of acupuncture is another case where ancient knowledge aligns with modern understanding. This practice, which involves stimulating specific points on the body, often with a needle penetrating the skin, is thought to balance the flow of energy or life force. Today, scientific studies have shown that acupuncture points are often located at key nodes in the body's nervous system, and stimulating these points can lead to various physiological responses, corroborating the ancient theory with modern neurobiology. The ancient Greeks, who understood that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, summarized in the phrase, "a healthy mind in a healthy body." Today, we understand the significant impact physical health has on our mental well-being, including the role of exercise in maintaining mental health, highlighting the wisdom in this ancient saying. Each of these examples demonstrates the fascinating parallels between ancient wisdom and modern science. As we continue to explore and understand our world and our bodies, we often find that science reveals the depth and insight of ancient knowledge. Now, consider DNA, the blueprint of life, a marvel of evolution that contains the instructions for our existence. You might have heard that we only use about 8% of our DNA, leaving the other 92% often referred to as junk DNA. However, recent research suggests that this so-called junk DNA might have essential functions that we are just beginning to understand. DNA isn't merely a sequence of genes, but a complex, layered code that can be read in numerous ways, potentially hiding profound secrets about our abilities and potentials. The study of epigenetics demonstrates how environmental factors can influence gene expression, suggesting that we have more control over our genetic destiny than we once thought. This aligns with ancient beliefs of the mind-body connection, where our mental and emotional state impacts our physical well-being. It brings to mind a chance encounter I had with a rogue NASA scientist who presented an intriguing concept: wealth DNA. This concept theorizes that within our DNA lies hidden potential that can be unlocked to attract prosperity and abundance. Could this wealth DNA be part of the 92% of our dormant DNA? As we delve deeper into our DNA, we find elements like transposons, often called jumping genes, that can move around the genome and influence gene expression. Could this mobility within our genetic code offer a clue to the dynamic potentials of our wealth DNA? Furthermore, research has found that experiences can leave a memory on our genes, influencing their activity. This means that habits, experiences, and mindset might be able to activate or influence this wealth DNA. If you wish to delve deeper into the mysteries of the DNA, particularly your potential wealth DNA, click the link in the description. There, you'll find a presentation sharing more insights into this fascinating concept. By exploring this link, you're not just embarking on a journey of curiosity, you're stepping onto a path that could transform your understanding of wealth and prosperity. Remember, the mysteries and power of DNA have just started to unfold. Explore, learn, and embrace your potential. One fascinating realm of ancient knowledge is the wisdom of the primitive Christians, specifically the Essenes. Early texts suggest that these individuals perceived Christ not merely as an external entity, but as a divine essence residing within the sanctity of the human body. This viewpoint challenges traditional interpretations and invites us on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Within the Essenes' belief system, the spinal cord was regarded as a divine channel through which celestial energy flowed. Recent research on the bioelectricity of the nervous system lends an intriguing layer to this ancient belief. Every nerve fiber in our body is a channel for the flow of ions, creating an electric potential. Thus, in a sense, it is a conduit of energy, just as the Essenes believed. Moreover, the Essenes discerned profound allegorical messages within the scriptures. For instance, the story of Adam and Eve in Genesis was understood as a metaphor for the division of a unified self into a dualistic existence. This approach to scripture offers an intriguing parallel to modern approaches in neuroscience. The brain's left hemisphere is generally responsible for logical, linear thinking, Adam, while this right hemisphere manages creativity and intuition, Eve. Could it be that ancient allegories held intuitive understandings of the complex processes that modern science is just beginning to reveal? Similarly, the ancient Greeks perceived Christos as the Anointed One, associated with the essence of oil. They considered the journey of this sacred oil a metaphor for the transformative journey of the soul. Science provides a fascinating parallel here. Our bodies indeed use lipids, fats, oils, as carriers for signaling molecules in the nervous and endocrine systems. This mechanism underpins many processes, from feeling emotions to forming memories, reinforcing the ancient metaphor with a fascinating layer of biological reality. In another instance, the Essenes viewed the sacral plexus, associated with our most primal instincts, as a dormant reservoir of spiritual potential, waiting to be awakened. Could this reference the untapped potential of our minds? Modern neuroplasticity research suggests that we use a mere fraction of our cognitive potential, further emphasizing this ancient belief's plausibility. The Essenes' sacred alchemical process echoes modern understanding of the endocrine system. They spoke of a refined oil ascending to meet the cerebellum, the seat of higher intelligence. Today, we know of the intricate hormonal pathways that communicate between the brain and body, such as the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, essential for managing stress responses. This symbolic parallel between the human body and scriptural narratives extends to the Bible as well. Its profound duality as a genealogical record and a symbolic representation of the body offers a rich tapestry of interpretation. For instance, the crucifixion story's symbolism of the skull correlates to the modern understanding of the brain as the control center for the body, responsible for our actions and decisions. In another intriguing parallel, the Bible refers to the human body as the temple of God. Modern biologists echo this sentiment, marveling at the complexity and perfection of the body at the microscopic level. Each cell is a microcosm of life, working in harmony to maintain balance and function, a living testament to the wisdom of the body. The concept of a sacred secretion, too, finds echoes in modern endocrinology. We know today that the pituitary and pineal glands produce hormones critical for various physiological functions. The Essenes believed that these secretions hold the key to spiritual awakening. Could the dimethyltryptamine, DMT, a molecule produced in the pineal gland associated with mystical experiences, be the scientific equivalent of this sacred secretion? At the intersection of science and spirituality, the wisdom of the ancients comes alive, shining a new light on the mysteries of existence. As we continue to unearth the profound symbiosis between our inner universe and the vast cosmos, let us hold on to an insatiable curiosity and a commitment to truth. The journey to wisdom, however, is not without challenges. Throughout history, events such as the Council of Nicaea have played a significant role in shaping religious doctrine, often with a political agenda. Acknowledging such influences is crucial as we journey towards truth, reminding us of the importance of discernment and critical thinking. In this context, the story of Jacob's Ladder, with its celestial connections to the zodiac, becomes a metaphor for our journey towards enlightenment, continually striving for balance and understanding. In conclusion, our exploration of ancient wisdom through the lens of modern science paints a mesmerizing picture of our spiritual and physical existence. The scientific parallels to ancient beliefs suggest that our forebears held a deep intuitive understanding of the body and mind's mysteries, which we are just beginning to comprehend. May your journey of discovery continue to be as captivating as the twisting strands of our shared human saga, interweaving the tangible and the ethereal in the grand tapestry of existence. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. We'll really appreciate your comments, thoughts, and opinions in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications to stay updated for our next video. Until the next time we meet, stay blessed.